Welcome to Digital Fashion Pro Fashion Design System. Digital Fashion Pro is used by professional designers, clothing lines, schools and beginners worldwide. In this video, you will learn how Digital Fashion Pro can help you bring your designs to life. People often ask, how can I get my designs made? Do I need to know how to draw? Do I need to know how to make patterns? The truth is, you do not need to know how to draw. That is, if you have Digital Fashion Pro, you do not need to know how to make patterns or sew either. If you do, great. But it is not required. Let's browse the Digital Fashion Pro.com website to see the dress we are going to focus on in this video. We call it the Chi dress. By the way, Digital Fashion Pro comes with hundreds of customizable clothing templates, fabrics, models and training videos. Welcome to the Chi dress. In this video, we will show you the steps on how you can bring your designs to life with Digital Fashion Pro. You first start with a Digital Fashion Pro customizable template. Choose one that is close to the vision that you have. Another awesome feature of Digital Fashion Pro is that you can create your own prints, artwork and custom fabrics. The Style Blast edition comes with loads of vector artwork that you can incorporate into your designs and prints. After you create your base sketch, you can add fabrics, prints, artwork, logos and color. Design different versions of your design until you get to your finished version. Digital Fashion Pro comes with training that will teach you how to easily illustrate your designs even if you do not have experience. Next, you will want to create a technical sketch of your design. This simply means marking up your design. You will learn this on the Digital Fashion Pro Beyond the Basics upgrade. You will then combine all of your design information using a Digital Fashion Pro Fashion Business Center spec sheet template. This is the information that a manufacturer will need to make your design. You can use the Ultimate Fashion or Small Batch Explosion contact list ebooks to help you find a manufacturer, factory or sample maker to create your design. Both of these ebooks are included in the Style Blast edition. The awesome thing about the Small Batch Explosion ebook is that it focuses on companies that can make your clothing or production in small quantities. Find companies that make as little as 1 to 10 to 25 pieces of your design. This feature makes it super easy for you to get started with getting your designs and styles made. Again, this ebook is exclusively included in the Style Blast edition of Digital Fashion Pro. Your manufacturer will use the information from your spec sheet to create the paper patterns for your designs. Your manufacturer will cut out the pattern pieces that would then be used to cut out the fabric for the design. Your factory will then source your fabric choices based on your requirements. Your factory will then assemble your design. As a new designer, you will love seeing your designs brought to life. And honestly, this part never gets old. So are you ready to get started on creating your designs? The Digital Fashion Pro Style Blast Edition can help you create your designs, plus it comes with a course that will help you start your own clothing line. Get started today at digitalfashionpro.com. Thank you for watching. Happy designing.